काँग्रेसीन खंय सगळेच ऑल इज वेल आसा अशें काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी मणिकम टागोर सांगता. काँग्रेसींतल्या फुटीर आमदारांक घरा धाडपा खातीर काँग्रेसीन प्लॅन तयार केला. तशेंच मणिपुरांत जाल्ल्या हिंसाचारा आड गोंय काँग्रेस समिती फुडल्या सप्तकांत आंदोलन करतले अशी म्हायती टागोरान दिली.
Congress party in the parliament has been agitating against the murder of democracy and the way women are being treated in Manipur. And there are plenty of churches has been burned, women have been raped, two communities are fighting with each other, 70,000 people are in refugee camps in Manipur. The governor of Manipur to a private channel has given a serious statement. Those issues has to be taken up in the ground level. Therefore, Congress party, we are having a review of the work of the office bearers who have been here, and I am asking their work, what they are doing it, for review of their work. And the Congress party in the parliament will continue to raise the issue of Manipur, and Goa Congress from in the next week also they will start agitating in the regarding the Manipur violence, and we will be fighting for the people of Manipur. All the India alliance partners, we will request the PCC president to have a meeting with all the India alliance partners also. They will all join, request them to join for a protest in the next week regarding the Manipural violence. Okay?
So all is good in your party?
So all is good in my party. All is good in my party. When Manipur is burning, we are all there, and all we are in Bangalore. There is a India alliance has been created. Therefore, in Goa also we have started to work with the India alliance parties.
Okay.
And every party will have some differences of opinion. We are already putting a plan for it. We are already there is a Congress has a plan to defeat those betrayers who have betrayed Congress, and the Congress party will put its plan in action. And we are working on a plan, strong plan, and we will be defeating those betrayers who have taken money from Adani, and they are run away from the Congress.
Is there switch in the Congress voters? The Congress voters have switched because of defection?
The people who took money from Adani, and MLAs are the people who have taken money from Adani and went to BJP. People stands with the Congress.